Hi Travis, my name is Brooke. I'm with Snowdrop Digital Marketing. In this video, I'm going to show you a few tips and tricks on how you can improve your online presence. These tips will optimize your website for Google. They will enhance your platform and convert more customers, and they will get more traffic to your website. The whole point of this is to get more quality leads rather than having all these spam calls. So the three things are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. So content is everything that you see on your page. It's the words, the images, what the image is saved as, and even the space behind the image. So what Google does is 24/7. They have these crawling bots and they crawl every single website on the internet. They gather information and they use that information to determine where to rank you on the search engine result page whenever someone looks for HVAC in Wichita, Kansas. Whenever people look for HVAC in HVAC Wichita, Kansas, the first thing that pops up is the Google ads. Then there is the Google business page and the organic listings. A lot of people have Google ad blockers. So whenever you run those, you're missing out on quite a few leads. There are the regular pay-per-click Google ads, and then there are the Google guaranteed ads, and you will see those with the green check mark. It does have a higher auditing process, but it will bring you higher quality leads and it will weed out all of the spamming clicks. There's the Google business page. This is where citations come in. A citation is a direct reference for your company's name, phone number, and address. You will find these on Facebook, Yelp, LinkedIn, Yellow Pages. The more citations, the better. Google uses those to determine where to rank you. They also use whether your Google business page is fully optimized, like everything is filled out, how many images you have, how many reviews you have, and the quality of them as well. So what you don't want to stop at how many citations Dan's Heating and Cooling has. You want to beat them by 50 or even 100 citations and keep maintaining that. And then there's where the backlinks are coming in. So I have a website crawling tool called Ahrefs. This shows me what's going on under the hood for your websites. So there is the power and the trust rating. It shows me how many keywords are on your website and how many people per month are going to the website. So a backlink is as a popularity contest on Google. You can think of it as a voting system. So it's a reference from one website to another. Whenever you get a backlink, you do not want as many as you can get. Whenever you get a backlink, you want it to be high quality, you want it to have high authority, and you want it to be relevant to your business and the services you provide. I'm going to show you what's going on with your top two competitors. I'm going to show you Dan's Heating and Cooling website because they are the first organic in the GBP or the Google business page. Then I'm going to show you Hannah Heating and Air Conditioning because they are the first in the organic listings. 30% of your business should come from your GBP. The remaining 70 should come from your website. The whole point of having a website isn't like a digital business card. Your website and your GBP is your digital billboard. And the question is, do you want your digital billboard to be in a dark alley where nobody can see it, and center with lights flashing to get everyone's attention? So here's Dan's Heating, Cooling, and Plumbing. Google prefers that you have 1,500 words on your page, and they want your keywords to be sprinkled out throughout that information. That way it flows, it makes sense, and it gives them um, more to use when determining where to rank you. They have 106 keywords, and they're getting 90 people on their website each month. 30% of those 90 people on their website are qualified leads. As long as they can convert those leads into sales, they are guaranteed 30% of that traffic to be actual customers. So they have a power rating of 4.1 and a trust rating of 14. These numbers you want to be as close to each other as possible. If this says 4.1, you want this one to say 4.1. So this is where quality over quantity comes in. Again, when you get backlinks, you want high quality, you want them to have power, and you want them to be relevant to your website. So down here, they have 634 backlinks, and this is how many domains or websites are giving them those backlinks. So they're doing pretty good. Here is Hannah's Heating and Air Conditioning. They have quite a bit of information as well. So let's go ahead and look at what they're doing for the website. So their power and trust rating look great. They have almost 6,000 keywords, and they're getting 1.6 thousand people to their website each month. Again, without content, the backlinks are useless. So the backlinks give power to your website, but it's your website that tells Google what services you provide. So they have a good amount of backlinks as well, but what's really, really helping them is their content and their keywords. So if you like what I have to say and you decide you want to schedule a 10 or 15-minute phone call to see if I can actually help your business, feel free to reach out and we can get a time scheduled to see what we can do for you. Anyway, thanks for watching the video, Travis. I hope you have a great weekend.